Hi everyone, it's Michael Gouge from Blue Ridge Motorcycling Magazine. Here today to do an unboxing video. We've got a nice little gift from the people at Viking Bags. They have sent me this tail bag to try out. I thought we would unwrap it and see how it looks on my Yamaha Tracer 9. Now the Tracer 9 comes with hard panniers, but for everyday riding I don't like to put them on. They're kind of bulky, they weigh a lot. I kind of prefer just a textile tail bag. Carry some extra gloves, whatever I need, rain gear, and of course extra copies of Blue Ridge Motorcycling Magazine to hand to people. Alright. This out and take a look at it. I like the shape. Now it's smaller than my existing Viking bag. I've had this Viking bag probably about 3 years. You can see it's pretty weathered, the sun faded, but it's still in pretty good shape. A little bit of stitching has kind of come loose from lots of wear. I must say I like the quality of Viking bags. This Viking bag here replaced an old Nelson rig that didn't last very long, so their quality is right up there. The new one here is smaller, it looks like. It's more barrel shaped. It's got a handle on top. I like that for when I'm traveling. I can take it off the bike and carry it easily. Comes of course with a rain cover, tie down straps, expandable pockets, expandable midsection. That's pretty good. Let's see if the ultimate test though. I carry around copies of Blue Ridge Motorcycling Magazine to hand out to bikers who may not have heard about us. And it looks like, yep, I can fit a stack of those in there really well. It's got a Velcro strap. This is removable, but if your bike has a backrest, you can strap it on the backrest. I don't have one, so I'll probably remove that. I do like the D-rings. I tend to strap mine down. If you can see here, I strap them down with Velcro, double-sided Velcro. It's just to me easier than dealing with straps or bungee cords or things like that. They're easy to get on and off really quick, and the Velcro doesn't take up any room. So that's probably how I'll mount this one on the back. Now, one thing I do like, it's a little lower profile. I've only had this Tracer here about 2 or 3 months, and it's got more of a sport touring high tail to it. So when I throw my leg over to get on it, I find I'm hitting that tall tail bag. So I think this lower profile one will work a little bit better for me. Of course, I still have my hard panniers that I can put on the side for when I'm really traveling and taking lots of stuff. But for everyday stuff, I really like just having a small tail bag. Throw some stuff in there, you know, jacket liner. If I need, you know, go get a gallon of milk or bread, you know, they'll fit in there. Anyway, I'll keep you updated on what I think about this Viking bag. Okay, I got the Viking bag mounted. I must say, I like the proportion. It looks a little better than the old one I had, which seemed just a bit too large for this bike. I also like I can throw my leg over it and not catch it, so it's not too tall. Another neat feature, it's got these little areas where you can put a luggage lock. Keep people from rifling through your stuff. Anyway, I think I'm gonna like it.